Hey everyone, welcome to Discover the OC. I'm Jules Wilson, your host and lifestyle realtor here at Seven Gables Real Estate. Now listen, today I'm so excited to be with David Osborne. He is the founder of the Collection 27. Now listen, David, we're all like a little bit of luxury, and I know that's something that you're really passionate about. So what do you have to tell us about what is the Collection 27 and how is this tied to luxury?
Okay, this is the very first club that's been put together. It is a private club. It's based in Newport Beach, Corona del Mar, and Newport Coast, and we're an on-demand food delivery club, private club.
Nice. I love that idea.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank
Okay.
you.
And
Yes.
tell us, how did the Collection 27, what does that mean exactly?
The Collection 27 is, how I came up with that was, my whole goal is to be super high-end luxury service. So I figured 27 restaurants is a good number for us to manage in order to keep that super high level of service.
Okay, some of the best of the 27 representing some of the best restaurants in Orange County, correct?
100%. Award-winning, Michelin-starred restaurants, award-winning chefs.
Okay. Well, listen, I can call up. We're not going to say who they are, but people know who they are when you call up and get something delivered to your door, and the people leave in a dash. No pun intended. What makes you different, David? What are you offering?
Well, as the delivery industry and technology industry develops, and it's becoming easier and easier to be able to get what you would like to have delivered to your front door.
Right.
The other platforms that are out there are struggling with the service end of everything.
Okay.
Because they're technology people.
Right.
And they have developed great technology to get you something. However, they've missed the whole service end of it, which my background is service, private clubs as well. So we want to offer the same type of service, but with a very high level of safety,
Okay.
community,
Right.
and service.
Well, I know you've done a lot of research. You put a lot of time into this. Now, when we were speaking earlier, I remember you saying that actual polling has been done of people who have worked for other food delivery companies. And what are some of the problems that you've overcome and how you're doing your business model? Give us some examples, because
Sure.
I'm not a DoorDash, person. I've never done that, but some of the things you told me, I was really surprised.
Yeah, the polling and the studies that have been done on these new adaptable delivery platforms, there hasn't there's no thought going into the service end of it, the packaging,
Okay.
okay, the accountability of who's accountable to making sure that the food's safe and kept at the right temperature,
Right.
and brought to us at a right temperature that's safe to eat.
Well, my big concern was I don't want someone having a couple of my fries. So how do you have that handled?
Yeah, we are using vetted drivers. We are actually hiring. We're not hiring over an app. They come to our office. We interview. We hire.
Like employees?
Yes, they're employees.
Oh, okay.
And then there's a very rigid, high-level service program they have to go through.
Okay.
Okay, and then before they become drivers, they also have to be we call them coachmen. They become a co-coachman with a certified coachman before they can graduate to being a coachman.
Okay.
Because we're going into gated communities.
Right.
We're working with very high level, high net worth individuals
Sure.
that want their safety and want their privacy.
Right.
We're dressed in suit and tie as
Kind of
well.
like what you're wearing now?
Exactly what I'm wearing now, except for the tie will be black.
Okay.
And
Any chance that someone will be showing up in a bike to deliver my food? By chance?
not unless we're super busy and I'm the one doing it. But,
Because you had mentioned they're also going to be driving in luxury, let's be honest.
yes, we partnered with Mercedes Benz, a local Mercedes Benz dealership.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, absolutely. And so we will be delivering in very reliable, comfortable, safe cars that we partner with them. So we have a nice fleet, if you will,
Wow.
of cars going around town in a very responsible manner.
Okay, so it sounds to me like it's like, once again, making sure the food I order is the food I'm going to get. The drivers are respectable, they've been vetted by you, and they also show up in a nice car, which just kind of ends a little bit, it adds a little bit of luxury to the whole situation.
Sure, absolutely.
So you'd mentioned this is a club. Now, are you just launching this now, and what are the costs associated with this?
Yeah, we're launching now. We're looking mid-January to actually go live. We've done a lot of testing. It's worked out well. So coming up January, you can go to our website,
Okay.
thecollection27.com, and you go to the membership sign-up page, and it's a $2,000 initiation fee.
Okay.
Okay, and then it's a $500 private membership dues.
Okay. But then you don't pay for delivery. That takes care of.
It takes care of all fees.
And I can have a delivery 4 times a day. Doesn't matter. All month?
100%.
Oh, so a lot of people out there who do a lot of home food delivery.
Yes.
That can I have one client actually. I think they spend about I think $2,000 or $3,000 a month on the delivery fees. We're not talking about the food here.
Right.
Right. So this can be
Right.
savings for a lot of people
Yeah.
that work at home.
Yes.
Right. That just don't want to go out and get it. It saves me time and obviously gas going out
Yes.
and getting my food.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a big benefit. I really like that.
Yeah,
Wow.
absolutely. That was our goal. Was we saw this? Me being in the restaurant industry, I've watched the statistics for the last 10 years almost, just skyrocketing and getting delivery to their homes, but it wasn't being done right. So being a private club, there's other benefits that come along with it as well.
Like what?
Well, when you join our club, you become a member of 27 of the finest high-end restaurants
Right.
in Newport Beach.
Really great food, obviously.
Amazing food,
Yeah.
health-conscious food as well. Very high level of proteins that are being used, and so when you arrive to these 27 our collection restaurants, you'll have your collection 27 credit card type plastic card.
Right.
And we're getting creative with discounts.
Oh, nice.
Yes, you're able to book all your events for your business,
Oh, nice.
all your personal events, anniversaries, birthdays, so on.
Reservations.
Yes, we deliver to your yacht, aircraft, your estate,
Wow.
or your business.
Wow, that's wonderful. Well, I think you're offering really a need that people are probably looking for, not even realizing it. Like me, I just don't really do that, probably because a little bit of the uncertainty. So you've kind of taken away the uncertainty. I know what I'm going to be getting. I know the driver's been vetted by you. They're an employee. They have a little bit of they have a vested interest in your company,
Exactly,
right?
exactly.
And plus, it kind of adds a little touch of luxury, which don't we all like that?
Absolutely.
Well, listen, David, how can people get a hold of you?
Our website, thecollection27.com, has all the information there, as well as all my personal information, email, and phone number. Feel free to contact me via phone at any time. I'm available.
Well, once again, for those of you who don't know, David has been in the hospitality, restaurant, clubhouse, managing golf courses all around the world. So he really knows what he's doing in the hospitality area of business. And you're offering that luxury, that safety, that security, and just kind of feeling good when you get your meal. It's still going to be hot, and I don't want anyone taking my fries.
Right.
So thank you.
All
So
right.
good to meet you. Check
Thank
out
you.
David at his website, thecollection27.com.
Thank you.